Want to secure your Binance account with Google Authenticator? Today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. Here's how to enable it in just a few simple steps. First of all, download Google Authenticator app, then open your Binance app and log into your account. Tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then select Security. Under Security Center, tap Google Authenticator and then tap Enable. On the Binance app, you will see a QR code and set up a key. Open Google Authenticator, scan the QR code or manually enter the key. I'm sorry to say that the Google Authenticator app doesn't support screen recording. So I'm so sorry for that. Go back to Binance, enter the code from Google Authenticator along with any required security codes like email or SMS verification, then tap confirm. That's it. Your Binance account is now more secure with Google Authenticator. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.